Hello everyone, this is Wet Fox here. Today I'm going to show you how to change the gate in your arcade fight stick. Most stock fight sticks come with a square gate. If you want to change it, you have to buy a new gate. However, many people prefer the square gate. It's considered to be this superior of all the gates. I've been playing with an Octagate since I was 12, so of course I'm not going to change. What you're going to need to make this happen is the guard. This already comes in the arcade stick, so no reason to buy that. You can buy an Octagate for about $2 from Razer.com, which is what I did. I have about 20 of these. You never know. You're also going to need an Allen wrench. Now, every stick's different. Sometimes you need a screwdriver. This particular stick, all I need is an Allen wrench. So there's that. And let me see if I can get a good angle here, show you what I'm doing. So as you can see, this is the arcade stick that we're going to be modding a bit. 6 screws here, all along the edge. Allen wrench. So what you're going to do is just unscrew each one. Yes, it's tedious, but so is everything else in life. Not as tedious as mowing a lawn. Also, I should mention that you want something to put the screws in case you lose them. I use a coffin ashtray, even though I don't smoke. Up. Oh, I somehow missed a screw. Getting a little too excited. A little too excited to show you what I'm about to do. Let's get that bad boy off. There we go. And this pops wide open. Voila. Easy breezy, beautiful. Cover girl. Had to say it. So as you can see, there's already a guard in place here. As I mentioned, they all come with one. Now the difficult part is getting it out. There are 2 little pressure plates that you want to point on. You push them simultaneously and it'll just pop out like that. Now something that many people overlook or forget is the proper way to actually stick this gate into the guard. If you look closely, there are going to be 2 little holes, one here, and there are 2 little, protruding, whatever you want to call it, that fit right in. Let's do that, right? Once you do that, you're actually going to want to push the gate and then turn it clockwise until it sticks. So now it's not going anywhere. Alright, once that's complete, let's get you back over to the stick here. Using those same pressure plates, we're just going to push the grooves here. Just right in. Here, let me lift this up a bit. Boom. Just as easy. Once that's complete, flip your Mad Catz arcade stick back over and start screwing again. Alright guys, so yeah, that's how you do it. Really nothing to it. Please like and subscribe. I plan on showing everyone how to change the button layout in a later video. Gray is kind of bland, but you can do all kinds of things. If you're interested in more advanced techniques, like how to add light up buttons whenever you press them, or really just change the entire layout of your arcade stick, I can show you how to do that as well. Just go ahead and send me a like, leave a comment if you want to see that, and thanks for watching.